Hello, I'm Steph, and this is
Andreas,
and we're from
Calibrate Studio.
Okay, so for the last video of our lower limb activation quadriceps series, we're going to go through a single leg bridge today. Poor Dre over here is going to take you through a single leg bridge, but this time with a leg extension involved. So, mini band is going to stay at the ankles. So usual glute bridge, okay? We've gone through quite a few of these now. So Dre's going to show you how to actually reach the distance. He's kind of touch his heels with his fingertips. Good, so once he's found his distance, he's in the right position there. Tension between the bands already. Now, his arms are actually going to drive down into the floor because he wants to push everything down as much as he can because, trust me, this is not going to be easy again. So, curling the tailbone up, driving the tailbone up that way while he pushes his belly button down. He's going to come all the way up to his glute bridge. As he comes up to the top, he's curled his tailbone up, he's squeezing his bum as much as he can, he's keeping his tummy tight. He's actually driving his fist down into the floor as well to help him with this. It's giving him a little bit more support here. And now he's going to extend his right leg up. As he extends this leg up, he's actually squeezing his quad here, firing, point your toes as much as you can hold. As he lifts his hips up even higher, now he's going to lower that leg with a straight leg, throw it towards the floor, and then come back up and back down. Keep driving into the floor and up. One more only, and all the way down. Come back up, bend the leg, and then slowly curl out. And I can see he doesn't want to do any more. Should I make him do more? No, I will not. But main pointers for this one is making sure your hips stay level. So whenever you're in a single leg bridge, we don't want the hip bones to go in and out of alignment. So making sure that you have imagining a band around your hips that's glued to the floor, okay? Because in that way, it might pull you one way, but you always have to work to bring them back up, which means that standing leg or the grounded leg has to push that hip up even higher. The straight leg, on the other hand, needs to stay locked out the entire time, and the more you point your toe when you do this one, the more you can feel your quads. So that is it for today. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for our next series, and we will surprise you with something new next time. Bye.